Welcome to One Shot.
More flavors and more product gives higher sales. Higher sales gives higher profits. A simple, low-cost one-shot dispenser achieves this. Soft-serve premium ice cream with particulates, frozen yogurt, sorbet, and much more, all in a wide variety of flavors. Just think how simple it is to increase your profit by selling this wide range of products and flavors. This is what One Shot is all about. Win or lose, we are so confident of our system's operational cost compared to conventional soft-serve machines. Our company has developed a cost accounting program to directly compare One Shot against traditional soft-serve machines. It is not always a case of liquid mix-in and frozen desserts sold, since there are many hidden costs that are often seldom discussed. Equipment cost, energy consumption, heat emission, installation costs, lost sales due to freeze downtime, sanitizing, special wiring if needed, service, spares, waste. We want to be your number one provider of choice for ice cream and frozen yogurt solutions.
For more information, contact One Shot at info@one-shot.com. Check out our website at www.one-shot.com.